Hello everyone, in this lecture we are going to discuss about another example for state elimination method. So as per the state elimination algorithm, we need to eliminate all the states except the start and final state, right? In this DFA, Q1 is both the start state and final state. So first we need to eliminate Q2 by considering all cases, all paths. Then we have to eliminate state Q3. So after eliminating these two states, we will be left out with one state automaton. Okay, so here start state is equivalent to final state. Okay, so we will be left out with one state automaton. So the regular expression is this R star. Okay, so first we have to eliminate state Q2. Okay, so first case is Q1, Q2, Q3 path. Consider Q1, Q2, Q3 path. Okay, so here we need to find RQSP, right? R means Q1 to Q3. Q1 to Q3, no path, so 5. Then Q means Q1 to Q2, arc is labeled by 1. Then S means Q2 to Q2 is 1. Then P, Q2 to Q3, 0, right? Now we have to substitute in this formula. R plus Q S star P. So 5 plus 1, 1 star 0. 5 plus regular expression is regular expression. So 1 star 0 is the regular expression. We need to place this on the path from Q1 to Q3, right? If you want to eliminate Q2, we have to draw an edge from Q1 to Q3, and that edge must be labeled by 1 star 0, right? Then we have to consider the second path Q3, Q2, Q1. So case 2 is Q3, Q2, Q1. So here R is Q3 to Q1. Q3 to Q1, 0. Then Q means Q3 to Q2 is 1. Then S, Q2 to Q2, 1. Then P, Q2 to Q1. Q2 to Q1, there is no path. So here 5. Okay. So now R plus Q S star P. So 0 plus 1, 1 star 5. So 5 concatenated with the regular expression is 5, right? So 5 plus regular expression is regular expression. So 0. So now we have to draw an edge from Q3 to Q1. Okay. So Q1, Q3. Okay, if we eliminate Q2 in this path, we need to draw an edge from Q3 to Q1. Q3 to Q1, we will be left out with these two states, and from Q3 to Q1, the edge must be labeled by 0. So in the third case, we need to consider Q1, Q2, Q1. Okay, so here R means Q1 to Q1 is 0. Then Q1 to Q2 is 1. Then S, Q2 to Q2 is 1. Then P, Q2 to Q1, there is no path. So 0 plus 1, 1 star 1 star 5. So 5 concatenated with the regular expression is 5. 5 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus regular expression is regular expression. So now we need to draw an edge from Q1 to Q1, right? Q1 to Q1, the edge is labeled by 0. Okay. Then finally the fourth condition is from Q3, Q2, Q3. Consider Q3, Q2, Q3 path. Here R is Q3 to Q3. There is no path from Q3 to Q3. So 5. Then Q3 to Q2. Q3 to Q2, 1. Then S, Q2 to Q2. Okay, Q2 to Q2, 1. Then P, Q2 to Q3. So Q2 to Q3 is 0. So now 5 plus 1 star 0. 5 plus any regular expression is regular expression. So 1 star 0. This should be placed on the path from Q3 to Q3. So Q3 self transition. So this path must be labeled by 1 1 star 0. Okay, now we have to combine all these 4 cases. So after eliminating Q2, we will have 2 states. Q1 is both the start and final state, and Q3. Okay, we have to combine all the 4 paths. So here Q1 to Q3, 1 1 star 0. Then as per second condition, second case, Q3 to Q1 0. Then third case, Q1 to Q1 0. Then final one is Q3 to Q3 1 1 star 0. Okay, so now we have eliminated Q2. Now we need to eliminate Q3. So eliminate state Q3. So here there is only one path, Q1, Q3, Q1, right? Q1, Q3, Q1 is the path. So what is R here? R is Q1 to Q1. So 0. Then Q means Q1 to Q3. So it is 1 1 star 0. Then S, Q3 to Q3, 1 1 star 0. Then P, Q3 to Q1 is 0, right? So R plus Q, A star P is 0 plus 1 1 star 0, S star. Okay, so 1 1 star 0 star, then P 0. So now we need to draw an edge from Q1 to Q1. After eliminating Q3, we have to draw an edge from predecessor to successor. So Q1 to Q1, draw an edge. Okay, here Q1 is both the start and final state. So draw an edge from Q1 to Q1, and that edge is labeled by 0 plus 1 1 star 0, 1 1 star 0 whole to the power star 0. This is the regular expression we got. Okay, so now we are in this condition. Okay, so what is the regular expression? This R star. So the regular expression for this DFA is 0 plus 1 1 star 0, 1 1 star 0 star 0. This entire expression whole to the power star. So this is the corresponding regular expression equivalent to the given DFA. Thank you.